What's up, playa? Welcome back to the channel. I've been gone for a long time because just so much has been going on in my life. If you're not a real one already, my name is daljiimarax, and on this channel, this is like the hub for all your beauty inspiration, from makeup tutorials, wig transformations, you know, get ready with me, little story times, you know, just all your inspiration. So today I'm giving you guys a tour of my filming setup. I have accumulated this stuff over years. I am poor, been poor all my life, so this is nothing that I just went and bought all this stuff. This has been accumulated probably for like the past 5 years. And I think it's doing really good for me for what I'm at right now, for what I'm doing, and it's very affordable. I think all of this stuff together, for the most part, like the filming equipment stuff that I need for videos on a day-to-day basis, is under $2,000. So very affordable for something that has been accumulated over years, you know. So I hope you guys, you know, if you're looking for, you know, filming equipment and stuff like that, and you don't got a lot of money, boo, I got you covered, okay? So I'm going to show you everything I use for my videos, and we're going to get into it. If you're not subscribed already, go ahead and hit that button, boo, because you know you want to tune in to the rest of my content, and, you know, just be, you know, informed of all the inspiration that you need. So let's get started, and yeah, let's go. Okay, so I'm first going to give you an overview of the whole room. It is junky because I'm working on some stuff right now, so it's best to show you what it really looks like for real. So here's the first little overview. All right, so here's the overview of the room. When you walk in, I got a whole bunch of stuff going on. I'm also cleaning the clutter and stuff, so here's what everything looks like. So first I'm gonna start over here. I also do product photography. So what I did is took everything out of my closet and sat in here because I'm trying to find the best way to make like a little shelving system that I can grow with. I don't want to just get something little and temporary and then end up I get too much stuff. So I do product photography with my beauty products, skincare products. I'm working on a project right now, so that's what this little table's for. I do my own press-ons and stuff, so that's what that is. Here's a little stool I got from, I think, TJ Maxx for like $16 or something like that. You know, something cute if I need to, you know, get a picture and don't want my chair in the background. This is a super janky, what is this? Backdrop holder that broke when I moved a couple years ago, but it's been working fine. It was probably like $40. Got it from Amazon. Don't really have a reason to get a new one right now. If it ain't, I mean, it is broke, but it's working. So yeah. So over here is my ring light. This is like the first, you know, lighting system you get when you're a YouTuber. It's very bright and it kind of is not great for dark skinned people. But I got it and it's what I could afford. So that's what we got right here. This is a vacuum because I do wigs and stuff. Hair is always over this carpet. So I got a vacuum for this room. Just a little cute one just for the room. This Fovitec Studio Pro lighting system was probably $180 when I got it like 5 years ago. Perfect. This is like the overhead one, and then these two, when you can adjust them, you know, back here. Perfect. This is my what is this called? My tripod. Sorry. And this is cheap. This is like $25. Again, all this stuff is not affordable because, baby, we ain't got it like that just yet. We gonna get there, but we ain't got it like that. Okay, so moving along. This is just a chair I had, irrelevant. This desk I got from TJ Maxx, so this was a really great find. My makeup looks a mess in here, but this is what it holds, and then this is where I put my other makeup. And these holders I've had for a very long time, so get them at the Container Store, TJ Maxx, they got them everywhere. All my brushes, so this is all that. This is me and my little mirror that I use. My iPad. And so when I film, I usually have my tripod and my ring light is on sometimes, and I sit it right in front of me so I can see everything, and then I have the little flip out screen right here. So this is what this setup looks like. Obviously the payoff looks extremely bright and blinding because I'm filming it this way, but let's see what it looks like. And then I turn the brightness up on my camera because I don't have a light right now and the light in here sucks. So I don't look this washed out in video, and even when I do, I edit it in Adobe. So all this is, you know, just what I'm looking like right now. So this is just a little Target. This is just a little Target thing that I keep all my hair stuff in. It's leaning, it's raggedy, but it holds all my stuff. Again, baby, we got affordable stuff here, okay? So all my little hair stuff that I just need to grab hairpins, clips, all that good stuff, hair tools, boom, boom, boom. I usually keep my flat iron just right here ready to turn on. And this is what my filming station looks like. I try to keep it clean. This is clean, but because of makeup, obviously it's going to get dusty and dirty and hair glue and all that. So that's that. I just have this wig head here at all times. This is from Dye. That's why it looks crazy like this. And then all of my backdrops. I'm still a backdrop girl. I don't have a cute little background. I like my backdrops. All this stuff in here is just miscellaneous stuff, but I always go to Joann Fabrics to get backdrops because they're only like $10. Like the more expensive ones are like the satin ones and stuff like that, all these cute colors. But Joann Fabrics is my favorite place to get them, just not just because of variety, but they always have a sale. If they don't have a sale, they always got coupons. So if you want backdrops, these is about $10 each, which is affordable. Okay, so I have probably like 15 of them all up in here. Keep my wigs in there, and then like a cute little whiteboard. So that pretty much is what I film with. My camera, so I have a Canon T6i. I got this when it was brand new in 2016 when I was in college because I got my refund check back, so I went ahead and bought that. It also has the Rode microphone because it came as a kit. I got the regular kit lens. I haven't updated my kit yet. Haven't updated my lens yet or nothing like that because I haven't got to a point when I'm super consistent. So it doesn't make sense for you to, you know, reinvest and keep putting money in something until you can be consistent, okay, and then seeing results and stuff like that. You don't want to invest a whole bunch of money into filming equipment. So you may feel like, oh my god, like I want the best of the best camera, the best of the best lens, the best lighting system, but until you get some momentum and you get some growth and some feedback, okay, this is working, this is not working, that's when you want to invest into that quality camera gear and shit like that. Until then, I'm working with what I got and it's working. Like, it's working fine. At this point, I just need to make better content and be more consistent. Once I can stick to that, which I can do now because my life has been put back together. I've been going through it the last couple months, boo. That's why I uploaded in 2 months. But until then, I'm gonna stick with what I got. This has been working with me for the last 5 years. I don't have no super granny, you know, camera quality and terrible lighting. It's just a fact of me just producing better content. And then once I get my money up, then I'm gonna upgrade to a better camera, better lens, better lighting system, better just overall production value. So yeah, so then when it comes to, you know, filming and when I edit, I use the Adobe Creative Cloud. I have the whole cloud. Sorry, camera just died. So yeah, once I get my stuff together, we're gonna be back, okay? We're gonna be back and we're gonna be getting, you know, updated camera gear and a whole production. Like I was saying, so I have the whole Adobe Creative Cloud. I have Photoshop, Lightroom, After Effects, Premiere Pro, all that. That's why I edit everything in. That has been the easiest for me. Also, back to me being poor, I don't have money for a MacBook, so I never got into the whole Final Cut Pro situation. Even when I can't afford a MacBook, I'm sticking to Adobe. Adobe is so great and it's super easy to learn. And there's so many tutorials on it. Whenever I need help with something, it's nothing to look up a YouTube tutorial on how the stuff works. So that's how I edit everything on Adobe Creative Cloud, and it just works for me. That's the best system in my opinion. So yes guys, so that concludes everything. Like I said, everything you got, the lighting system, the ring light, everything I got is from Amazon, other than like the little shelving system. Like I said, I got from Target. I got this desk from Homegoods. All my backdrops are from Joann Fabrics, and then that's about it. Everything is from Amazon. Get everything on Amazon. And yeah, it's been working out for me because boo, this stuff was not cheap when I was buying it, but it's so worth it and it works. Like, it does what I need it to do, and I love it for that. So if you guys have any questions on any, you know, camera, I will leave everything. I have links below if I could find it, if it's still available to buy, obviously. So with that being said, if you guys have any more questions on filming equipment, this is what works best for, you know, makeup tutorials, hair tutorials, stuff like that. I don't know what else type of content you guys may be into. I also use this camera to film my product photography and stuff like that. Yeah, so if you guys have any more questions, filming related, filming equipment related, filming setup related, let me know in the description box below. And I mean, let me know in the comments below, because I'll let you guys in on everything. This stuff was so cheap. Like I said, everything was under $2,000. Like, that's great. Like, for all this, $2,000 is a steal. and it gets the job done. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video on me showing you guys my filming equipment. Hope it was helpful. Hopefully you know, you got an idea of what to buy when if you're on a budget and you need some film equipment for your YouTube videos. And yeah, but we gonna get the content popping. So come back, because we back to being consistent. We back. My life is together. I can breathe now. And in the meantime, between time, baby, I know you didn't do it at the beginning, so I'm gonna let you off and do it right now. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.